Welcome to Beautyistic, where real talk meets real results in the world of skincare. If you're someone who's constantly juggling hydration, dark spots, firmness, and SPF, then you're going to want to stick around. Today, I'm sharing my experience with the Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Face Moisturizer with SPF 25, a multitasking anti-aging cream designed for both the face and neck. This is a 1.7-ounce daily moisturizer that's targeted toward mature skin concerns. It claims to tackle 3 big issues: wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and loss of firmness. It also includes SPF 25, which is crucial if you're serious about anti-aging. Key ingredients here include vitamin C to brighten and even tone, glycerin and shea butter for hydration, and something called hexanol technology, Neutrogena's proprietary complex meant to support elasticity and skin resilience. Plus, it's marketed as suitable for both men and women, so anyone can give it a try. Let's talk usage. I started incorporating this into my morning skincare routine for several weeks. It has a creamy, almost whipped texture that spreads smoothly over the skin without tugging or leaving a greasy residue. It layers well under makeup and absorbs quickly, which I really appreciated on rushed mornings. There's a mild floral scent, but it fades fast and didn't irritate my skin. I tested this during a particularly dry and windy stretch, and I can confirm it holds up well. My skin felt hydrated well into the afternoon, and there was noticeably less dullness in the mirror. After about 4 weeks, I did notice a softening of fine lines around my mouth, and my skin looked brighter and a little more lifted. However, if you're expecting it to replace your dedicated brightening serum or retinol, temper those expectations. This isn't a powerhouse treatment, but it is a solid supportive moisturizer that fits easily into a broader routine. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the SPF 25 makes it easy to remember sun protection without adding another layer. The texture is luxurious without being heavy, and the addition of shea butter and glycerin is great for dry or mature skin types. The jar packaging makes it easy to scoop out just the right amount. And yes, it did improve overall skin tone and texture in a gentle, steady way. On the downside, if you have very oily or acne-prone skin, this might feel a bit rich, especially in humid climates. Also, the jar packaging, while convenient, does mean the active ingredients can degrade over time with light and air exposure, something to be aware of. Lastly, if you're looking for higher SPF coverage, this may not be quite enough on its own during peak sun hours. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Now, let's talk price. This moisturizer generally falls into the drugstore premium category. Compared to others in that bracket, like Olay Regenerist or L'Oreal Age Perfect, it holds its own, especially when you factor in the SPF and the balanced, non-irritating formula. If you're after visible but subtle results, and want something that streamlines your morning steps, this is a pretty fair value. The packaging is sturdy, and while it's not airless or ultra sleek, it does the job. The product remained stable during my use and didn't change in texture or scent, which says a lot about its shelf life and formulation stability. While I haven't had to reach out to Neutrogena's customer service directly, they do have a decent reputation when it comes to consumer satisfaction. Their products are widely accessible, and they're generally responsive when it comes to ingredient concerns or questions. If this price point feels like a stretch for your budget, and you're willing to forego SPF in favor of a basic anti-aging cream, you might consider options like CeraVe's Skin Renewing Night Cream or the Rosy Multi-Correction line, both of which offer targeted benefits at a slightly lower cost. Just keep in mind, you'd need to add sunscreen separately. So what's the verdict? The Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Face Moisturizer with SPF 25 does a commendable job delivering on hydration, tone evening, and overall skin comfort. It's not a magic wand, but it doesn't promise to be. It's a reliable, well-formulated product for those dealing with dryness, early signs of aging, and uneven tone. Ideal for women 35 and up who want a multitasking day cream that simplifies their morning routine without sacrificing performance. Thanks for watching and supporting Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it meet your expectations? And as always, the purchase link is in the description or comment section. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.